I am say about today Banaras. Walking in the religious city of Banaras felt amazing. Seeing the wide and clean road, having the airport. It was not possible to know whether we are in big city or small city. With the ancient city of Banaras being the city of Shiva, it was natural to have many temples. Many legends about Banaras are famous, such as the one who dies here or whose last rites are performed. The union of life and death is seen here. While walking on the ghats, I saw about 20 pyres burning at Harishchand Ghat and Manikarnika Ghat at 6 in the evening. It was always heard that cremation should not be done at night. It is inauspicious. But seeing such a large number of cremation in the darkness of night in the religious city, the mind was disturbed. There were sticks here. His ashes were sprayed all around. Weeping people were creating a sense of disinterest in the mind. The ghats her- were very big, on which very large programs could be done. They can be called an open auditorium in a way. I reached here on 25th December. Due to the grand events were being held. The holding of the Shashmegh Ghat got the mind excited. There was a lot of crowd. Seeing the gathering of people on the way to each the ghats, I could not understand how they could reach further. We stepped a rickshaw and climbed into it and reached the ghat. The way the rickshaw was making its way through the crowd of people wanted to give her cleverness. I have seen many cities of Uttar Pradesh, but it was very nice to have cleanliness in Banaras. According to the crowd, there was no dirt. Every shopkeeper kept dustbin in front of the shop. Many shopkeepers also kept dustbin on the mid road, because of which we did not see dirt. The white roads were clear both day and night. There are also such roads in Banaras, on which only one person can walk at a time. Dirt appear on small street. I think this was because of the lack of access to these roads by the sweepers and inspector. The temple of Kashi Vishwanath is built between the very small street. Two people can hardly walk in these streets. When I reached it, I also stood looking at the row. He also took the prasad from the same shop owner. I asked the shopkeeper how much time the number will come. He said, "Will come in half an hour." Stood for some time, but the line was not moving. When I saw my partner standing and looking forward, at least 500 people appear in the line. According to that, we could hardly see the temple during the whole day. While we also intended to see other places, we thought of having a ticket of 300 rupees. There was absolutely no desire to see me with reverence in the lines. So we went in and saw him quickly. But it seemed to see indomitable devotion inside the pupil. Its maintenance is not correct. An ordinary temple is more grand than this. It needs renovation.